Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter M. Capital M. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and make a slanting line down to the right and another slanting line down to the left. Now draw a standing line to the bottom. Small m. Start from the middle and make a standing line to the bottom. Go to the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Make another one more curve in that same way. Now you know how to write the letter M, so try to write it properly.